Netwrix Threat Manager can not only detect suspicious behavior, but also respond to it directly from the interface. Or look at this high-risk permission detection. See, the administrative account from this server accessed this share and made a permission change. You can see those details here at the bottom. Expand this out. We can see specifically what happened. The trustee everyone was granted full control. From here, I can actually do a threat response. From the threat responses, I will find the playbook, revert permission change, and tell it to execute. This is now going to run the playbook to change those permissions back to how they originally were. Now we can go to that location and we can look at those permissions. We can see that the everyone group has now been removed